Good evening, everybody. Tonight I just want to quickly run through how to install the 3CX application onto your Android mobile phone. All right, let's open up the Android phone here. So I've deleted the application, the 3CX app, from my phone, and I have sent myself a email from the phone system. Okay, so email comes through saying welcome to 3CX. If we click into this, first bit tells you all about your extension here. With the what's it called, the PIN numbers and everything to do with your extension, the web client address and credentials to be able to access the web client, the download links for the 3CX applications. Then in the email here we have a QR code, a PDF explaining how to do some things, or a quick reference guide rather, and a configuration file to configure on this device. So first thing we want to do is download the application. So we're going to come down here to the download links. This one's for the Android Google Play Store, of course. Takes us straight up to the application and we want to hit install. All right, you'll notice that I'm on the beta channel here. You guys will all be on the stable channel. All right, so wait for that to install. Doesn't take very long. And we're going to open it up. Okay, now in opening this up, we're going to have to agree obviously to the terms and conditions. From here, it's going to give us a quick bounce through on how the application works. Okay, setting up conference calls, changing your status, and scanning QR codes. All right, so we're going to come to here and it's going to prompt us that the app is going to ask for permissions to be able to do things. So first thing we can do is click Get Started, and it's going to want to use our camera to be able to scan the QR code in the email, but also using it for video chatting as well. So we're going to allow this. And as you see, it fires up the camera in the QR code or QR reader setting. All right, now this isn't going to help us very much at the moment because we're doing everything on the phone handset, so we can't actually see a QR code. So we're going to just hit the home key on this, go back into our email, and remember earlier on I said that there was a configuration file down the bottom here. We're going to come down here to the configuration file, we're going to click it. Don't need to download it or anything like that, just click it to open. It'll ask you what you want to open it with, and we want to open it with 3CX. Same process on the iOS as well. So now it's registered. We can see we're green up the top here, and it's all been provisioned happily. So now it's going to make us call the Echo service to make sure that we actually hear audio in and out. To do that, it's going to need permission to manage the phone calls and the audio. So we're going to allow all them, and it's going to dial the test Echo service. So it's dialed now, and I can hear myself speaking. So that's all good. All right, so now you can see we're all registered up. Up the top right here, we can change our status if we want. If we click on the little hamburger icon here, you'll see that we're registered as test extension. In here, there's a button called silent. This can put the phone or just the 3CX ringing noises and notification noises to silent, but keeps the rest of your phone in its normal notification mode. All right, in here we can scan a QR code, which we'll go to next, and just manage the extension. All right, so to manage the extension, we're going to long hold on the name up here. All right, brings up this here, and what we want to do is actually long hold again on the name, and that allows us to deactivate, edit, or delete the extension. All right, deactivating would be if you were going on holidays and didn't want to be disturbed for a while, but still leave your desk phone active and able to take calls, so somebody can sit in your desk. Editing, we don't really need to worry about. What we are going to do though is we're going to delete this extension. Yes, we do want to delete it. So we're now back in the application again, and as you can see at the top right, we have no active profile. Okay, so what this scenario would be is if we have emailed to your work email the details on how to install 3CX, and you don't have the email, your work email, on your phone. Instead, the emails come through, you can see it, and open up the email. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, all right, or in the wherever your attachments are in your email client, you'll see there's 3 attachments down here. Okay, there's the getting started, the provisioning file that we just ran on the phone itself, but also this QR code. Okay, so let's bring little fella up here again. Whoops. And we come up onto here and tell it to scan a QR code. All right, this brings up the QR scanner on the phone itself. So now what we're going to do is open up that, and it was too quick. It actually provisioned as soon as I opened it up. So I'm going to quickly just kill it off again so you guys can see it. Okay, so once again, we're back to no active profile here. All right, we're going to tell it that we want to scan a QR code. Okay, make sure that we're not actually touching the code at the moment. Okay, now as soon as we bring this up, there you see it downloading the settings, and this is now activated. Okay, so we can see here that extension 105 is now activated again, and you guys are all ready to go. Down, just quick run through the bottom here, status. So this will show the status of your colleagues, and we can change this by groups as well. So you can just see certain groups that that are there. Contacts, that is the contacts of your phone itself, your mobile phone. So I'm not going to open that up. Keypad, this allows you to dial, obviously make calls, and the recent calls here shows what's come in and going out. So call history. Chat, we can do chat from the mobile phone. All right, so we can start opening that up and saying hello. Okay, and if I had the the phone connected up, I'd be able to reply back. Oh, there we go, look at that. So from my Chrome extension here, I can see that. Hello, test. All right, and we'll see that pop back in on the phone here. Okay, so that's the chat, and we can listen to voicemails from here as well. So if a voicemail gets left on our extension, we can listen to it basically anywhere in the world. This can be used anywhere in the world so long as you have internet access. Okay, so I'm just going to close that out now. Okay, go back into our meeting here, and that's pretty much it. So once again, thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us or contact us. Thank you.